Hi, this is Gautam Pothireddy. Let's discuss how to cure and prevent any disease using our human healing power. How to enhance your skin glow. How to increase your hair density. How to stay far from constipation and gastric problems. How to slow down aging process. Matter of fact, how to be fit with minimal exercise. So let's see about all these questions in this video. Let's get started. We all know that our body is an amazing machine. It has a very intellectual immune system. It can take responsibility of its own and it can heal itself. So let's take example of corona. Lakhs of people died, yet crores of people survived just because of body's intelligence. It can come up with antibodies to fight with any foreign particle that enters into the body. That's how intellectual our body is. But still, why are we facing all these health issues? So let's see in this video what and how and why of this problem. First of all, what's the reason? There are many factors and causes for this particular issue, but one main thing that which we have control on is digestion. And the good part is we can actually alter this problem into our benefit. Let's see what actually are we doing wrong. Let me explain you in a snap. When we chew our food, it gets mixed with saliva and enters into small intestine and then to large intestine. Once the important minerals, nutrients and all these materials are extracted, the remaining waste is going to excretion. And this entire cycle is called digestion. Every food have their own different cycles. For example, if you take any fruit, they have lots of water content in it. So approximately fruits take 3 to 4 hours to complete this cycle. So when you go to some bit more complex foods like cereals or rice, they take around 8 to 9 hours to complete this cycle. In the same way, when you take fish and chicken, they take around 12 to 13 hours. And if you go to red meat, pork, beef, they take from 18 hours to 30 hours. So that's how this digestive cycle is different from every food that we take. Starting from morning, we take 3 meals in a day. Breakfast at 7, lunch at 1 and dinner at 9. So with the breakfast, the body already will start working on digestion. Before it's completing its work, we put lunch into our body and then dinner. So that's how most of our time is getting wasted. So the body keeps working without giving this time to any other process. So healing is one such process. It needs time. When we have a cut, our body can heal it. Similarly, our body has capacity and capability to heal internal organs, internal wounds and also to clean and maintain each and every organ in a synchronized way. But for that, it needs only one thing, our time. But we are not giving this time. That's actually where we are doing wrong. Let me explain. So because of this digestion, the body has to completely focus on digestion for the entire day, right? Because you are spreading the meals across the day. There is one solution for this: fasting. Yes, we all know fasting. Fasting is an age-old practice that's being done from our ancestors. Even our generations before, our moms or grandmoms, they all did this fasting in a different name. They used to do in the name of religion, they used to do in the name of any rituals, but they used to do it. But nowadays it's gone. So we have to start fasting. So the solution to this problem is intermittent fasting. So let's start with what is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for weight loss, and it's not only useful for that, it's also a lifestyle that everyone should have. To explain you about intermittent fasting, it basically divides into 2 windows: fasting window and eating window. When you actually eat your food, it's called eating window, and when you do your fasting, it's called fasting window. So typically there are 3 different methods everyone follows: 12 hours and 12 hours. 12 hours they'll do fasting, 12 hours they'll eat, or 8 hours and 16 hours. 8 hours they eat, 16 hours they fast, and 6 hours and 18 hours. 6 hours they eat and 18 hours they fast. So these are the 3 popular models people follow. During this fasting phase, your body gets enough time for this healing and cleansing process. Let me explain. So when we consider the second model, 8 hours to 16 hours, you completely take your food in these 8 hours, right? In the 16 hours, your body might consume 8 to 10 or 12 hours for digestion completely, and the rest of the 6 hours or 4 hours your body has to its own. So in this time, your body completely try to clean your body, detoxify your body, and cleanse all the smaller parts of your body, starting from small intestine, large intestine, and every single part that needs to be cleaned. So imagine your body cleaning itself for 1 year or 2 years. Imagine change that you could get from this small initiative. I started this technique 5 months back and I've seen miracles. Let me tell you what I've seen in this journey. These are the significant changes that I've seen, starting with my hair, my skin, my gastric problems. I lost most of my belly fat without any intense exercise. I started getting good sleep. It reduced most of my dark circles. I used to have a lot of dark circles because of stress. They are mostly reduced. If I say it, I can keep on naming them. There are lots and lots of benefits because of this particular practice, because you are not relying on medication. Yes, I really agree medication is an important thing, but this is something basic and that you have to do it to your body. Medication can also help you, right? This is the first step, and then use your medication on top of it. You can see wonders. You name whatever the problem you might have, this can help you. Along with this, there are few more methods that you have to follow. Like you have to eat good food, you have to follow good sleeping cycles, you have to increase your immunity. So based on all these individual topics, I'll try to make another video. Please stay tuned. Important thing to note, if there is a problem that's getting inside, the problem can be cured inside. So for that, the only thing that we have to do is give time to our body. So let's give our body some time. Let's be fit and healthy. Thank you. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Do follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Links are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more interesting content.